Relaystar is a modern enterprise with 14 years' experience in water pump manufacturing. We always create value for customers with a cooperation concept of sincerity and mutual trust. To meet different uses of the pump, we produce jet pumps, vortex pumps, self-priming pumps, centrifugal pumps, submersible pumps, deep well pumps, pipeline booster pumps, etc. for global customers. We believe that a truly high-quality pump must perfectly meet the following requirements: long service life, high energy efficiency, low noise, good operation, smart and convenient. We believe that every process and every detail of production is the key to making high-quality products, so we strictly control the quality. Each pump body is processed by imported high-precision CNC machine tools. Each rotor is fully automatically balanced to ensure a high degree of concentricity and broad versatility, and using automatic stator winding machine to improve production efficiency. We have established a professional sales team, R&D testing center, and QC testing team to escort every pump before leaving factory. Perfect details create high quality. With deep feelings, firm belief, and professional attitude, we produce high-quality water pumps with perfection in every detail and manufacture the most market-competitive water pumps for global partners. Welcome friends from all over the world to visit our factory.